Hey everyone, it's Dana from Peaceful Living. Today we are going to briefly chat about EMDR and why it's more than just eye movements. More often than not, when I get phone calls or I speak to clients, everybody always has the same questions, which are, why aren't we doing EMDR? We're not doing eye movements. So it's important to really understand that EMDR is an 8-phase process. That being said, phase 4 is actually the part where you move your eyes. So it's really important to understand that if you're not doing eye movements, you are still doing EMDR. Phase 4 is when you're ready to reprocess a traumatic memory. So you may be ready to kind of go into a memory about a car accident or childhood abuse or neglect. But there's a whole host of things that have to be done before that happens. History taking is super important, understanding with that trauma-informed model what life experiences happen to you that are contributing to your present day functioning, whether it's anxiety or depression, any of that. And then phase 2, which everyone always hears me talk a lot about, the resourcing, because it's really important. That's when you learn techniques to learn how to stay calm and to not become calm, but also maintain calm. So that when you start talking about things that are stressful, you can maintain what we call dual awareness. So that's 1 foot in the room, in our therapy room, and 1 foot in a traumatic memory. So that process is really important. So I want to repeat it over and over. You don't have to be moving your eyes to be doing EMDR therapy. So if anyone has questions when they're engaged or they're seeing a trauma therapist, please speak to your therapist. Ask them, I'm curious. I know we're not doing the eye movements. What are we doing? What phase are we in? Because the trauma-informed model is what's important. So I encourage you, talk to your therapist, really get an understanding of the whole process. You can also, if you go on my website at danacoretta.com/handbook, you can get a free copy of my EMDR handbook, which fully explains the 8 phases of EMDR. There's also some cool graphics in there for functional MRI scans about pre and post EMDR, showing how it actually really does work and change your brain chemistry. And there's some worksheets in there, so you're more than welcome to download that for free. Again, that's danacoretta.com/handbook. And then if anyone has questions about EMDR, we're here to help. We're trauma-informed therapists at Peaceful Living. So I'm happy to answer any questions that you guys have, and stay safe, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.